January 19, 2015. At least 50 U.S. law enforcement agencies claims of new police radars that let them effectively see inside homes, with little notice to the courts or the public. Using radio waves to zero in on movements as slight as human breathing from a distance of more than 50 feet. They can detect whether anyone is inside of a house, where they are and whether they are moving. John 13:19. Now I tell you before it come, that when it is come to pass, ye may believe that I am he.
The Ninth Hour book, released the 9th day of the 9th month, 2009.
Prophecy page 188, surveillance becomes more intense and personal. Page 194, major digital internet trap looms.